Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can paint in House Flipper. Now currently right now on the house that I'm going to be working on is pretty much a house that needs some renovations when it comes to painting. Now over here on the top right it says here paint with the colors Amaranth Adventure and Gray. Now once you arrive to this house right here, you will immediately unlock the paint tool. Just hold down right click on your mouse and you will be able to find painting right here. Now to start painting with a specific color, press down tab on your keyboard and you will see here paint with the colors Amaranth Adventure and Gray, where you will find the two paints right here and just press left click and buy the paint right here and then place it down. Now for the other one, press the gray one and then press buy now as well and then place it down right here. Once you place down both the two colors, go over to painting and then approach one of the paintings here and then press left click to load the roller with the paint. And as you can see right now, I have Amaranth Adventure on my roller. Just hold down left click here on the walls and then you will eventually paint down the walls. Once you've run out of paint, go back over to the can and press left click as well. And then keep painting. And if you want to make the painting much faster, press down tab on your keyboard, go over to perks here at the bottom and go over to the painting here. And then you'll be able to find the perks to upgrade your painting levels. For example, right here with paint more, you can paint 2 walls at the same time, 3 and then eventually 4. And then eventually here for the faster painting, and here on basic painting where it uses less percentage of your paint. So if you have the skill points to unlock them, make sure to upgrade them. And once you've done a questionable paint job, you're pretty much good to go. And that's pretty much about it on how to paint in House Flipper.